Okay. So we have 1 hour, and in this 1 hour, we'll try to come up with response for this case study. And here the case study was given to me as part of one of the interviews which I attended. And here I have changed a couple of things. It may be some copyright issues. So lot of concepts I have taken it from there, but I have changed it for our discussion, which we will go through and come up with responses.
Okay.
So this case study, it gives a what is the context or the problem statement. It gives the requirements, both functional and non-functional, and then it also proposes one base technology stack for various
Okay.
reasons. Maybe it is company, they want it, or like, so there is a base references, there is a recommendation it gives, but we can make our changes.
Okay.
And then what are the expected outcomes? It also provided what are the milestones this company or this account wants.
Oh,
And
this is
then,
so cool.
yeah, and these are the deliverables, which in this call we will try to build. The
Mm-hmm.
first deliverable is come with a solution architecture or a technical blueprint with an end-to-end tech stack. Few things what they have given, we'll add a few more things, we'll have a discussion. And then the deployment model, which Mohan was just suggesting, right? So this also they're asking deployment model, the CI/CD entire set,
ACD. Yes, yes, yes. True.
and any significant ASRs. So this is one deliverable from the technology perspective. And then, yeah, our understanding of how we're going to cover the functional, non-functional requirements.
Okay.
How are we going to start this project? What are the different meetings we have? How are we going to refine this requirements, review, sign off? So that initiation, kickoff. So that part, and then also propose an delivery framework. Like what are the different meetings, Scrum, or what are the kind of projects,
Hybrid.
support,
Yeah. Correct.
complete delivery model. Like which this I think this we are good at, which we have been doing over many
Scrum
years.
will come in the execution phase
Yeah,
actually. Scrum,
yeah.
yeah, it comes in the execution phase.
Yeah, this will be a part of the product management, or
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
And some engineering excellence practice also, which at the start of the
Ah,
project only, if we want to call out, we
correct.
can
You're
follow.
always good at
Yeah.
this.
And
Used to
any
follow you.
use of AI
Yeah,
to
yeah. I
reduce
think
dependencies.
this correct, correct, correct.
I mean,
Just
typically what
Look,
all human beings
okay,
come
that
together from
RDA
project
is nothing
perspective.
but a rate log.
Yeah,
Risk
yeah,
dependencies and issues we
yeah,
will
yeah.
yeah,
record
maybe
it in
having a
the
RACI
rate log.
metrics also in here.
Mm-hmm. So basically, these are all the deliverables which we need to do. So because we have only 1 hour, I would recommend we can stick to this, the technology part, and how are we going to satisfy the functional, non-functional requirements. This delivery framework, I think we can keep it for later. What do you say? And also we can go up till initiation. Once we have all the requirements, once we have understanding of NFRs, functional, all the requirements, then initiation approach also. These three we can do over this call. What do you say?
But initially we have to come up with the project scope, right?
Correct.
Project
So,
scope and also project charter we need to prepare, right? This two things.
so here, if you see,
Hmm.
they have given already what all are required.
Scope is required. Okay.
Okay, so let us do one thing. Maybe 5 minutes, you can go through this document, your understanding, and then we'll just give a read, silent read, and then we'll come together and discuss. What do you say?
Yeah.
Hmm? Okay.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah. I don't think there is a timer here in Zoom, but no worries. Okay. So let's take 5 minutes just to again skim through once, understanding what is the scope, what we need to do, and then how.
Can I see that the above paragraph?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Business challenge. Yeah. Oh, they need a digital assistant.
Hmm.
Supply chain activities. Supply chain. Okay. Is the program stable access to operational data and sales. Workplace are designed with a strong customer first orientation. Okay.
Okay, moving on to the project
Yes.
functional scope.
Deliver food center supply chain operations. Smart application. Okay. To place orders platform with business place orders, suppliers, number data collection analysis for the forecasting. The tools and technologies to enable data collection analysis for the forecasting. Inventory management, I feel.
These are the few keywords what I thought are the key critical here.
Data tool and technologies, yeah. That enables data collection analysis, better forecasting, operational decision support. Mm.
Into the NFRs.
Performance testing, data use industry standard technologies to support data responsive design principles. It will need a user account, well, a sort of vendor account. User account.
It is a operational resiliency, availability, scalability, and all these things are operation resiliency. Like apart from database, and I'm a security guy also. So it talks about CIA triad: confidentiality, integrity, and also availability.
Hmm. Scalability, maintainability. Lot of NFRs. They put everything here.
Shit. Okay, don't use it anyway.
Yeah, yeah. I'll put a beep
Don't
for
make
some
me
slang.
don't black me up. Don't blackmail me also. Wait a minute.
Miral used some slang in witness. I'll put a beep. So requirements are clear, right? We
Yeah, yeah,
got some
yeah.
functional scope, NFRs.
Hmm.
Yeah, the typical standard ones. This would need some good discussion now.
Yeah, true, true.
Okay, and outcomes.
The delivery manager is sort of responsible from starting till end,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Hmm. Rest all the players, Scrum Masters, Product Manager, they are in between.
So they want this project to be delivered in 2 phases. And these are the milestones.
Okay. Okay. They already have a legacy application in place, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Instead of the manual testing, they wanted to go with automated testing.
Automated testing will be important or crucial in CI/CD, I think.
Okay, so the ask is clear right now.
Yeah.
So can we start with the first thing, which is this. So for each, we will just share our understanding and then we can finalize. So I'll put what they have given and then we'll discuss why we need to have that or anything better. And then once we have that alignment with these technologies, we'll try to prepare an architecture diagram. Okay. So we'll start with front end. If you see here, all of these are Microsoft core platform related everything.
Microsoft Stack.
Yeah. So maybe they have some agreement or
Content. Yeah.
So that
Content would be React.
we'll also
Yes.
put some questions or assumptions also why we are doing what. So when we actually meet those people, we can ask, clarify assumptions. Okay, so for the front end, what all do you say we can have?
We can use HTML, CSS, any which ways is a part along with
A part
React.js
of this,
because
yeah.
No,
yes.
nowadays this UI UX is there, right? Front end.
Yeah, those are kind of design at design level, right? But
Yeah. That design level is crucial actually because it will give us the real feel kind of a thing in interface, all these things. Okay, as per that only we will develop our application actually.
I mean, when I say it is at experience level, so with all these uh, basic technologies, we will have to come up. So these technologies will remain the same plus UX for all the things. Whichever technology we take, UX, UI, that is again separately we have to consider it, right? So
Technology wise,
HTML,
React.js, HTML,
CSS,
CSS.
Java, which are basics, we'll call out
Yes.
that somewhere these would be used.
Correct. JavaScript, React.js, or
Plus,
AngularJS being widely used these days.
um,
We can add some UX tools also, Figma and these.
Between these two, are these different? TypeScript,
React.js and TypeScript.
Yeah, Figma is important actually, correct.
yeah, tools, right? Yeah, tools will put plus Figma tool to give that.
Customer experience
Yeah.
or designing customer experience.
React.
I think we can remove JavaScript. This one JavaScript. Instead, use TypeScript. It says TypeScript is a high-level programming language developed by Microsoft that essentially acts as a superset of JavaScript.
So,
JavaScript is not
okay,
not being used that.
let me just TypeScript is a superset.
Hmm.
Okay, and why Microsoft native is it?
Yes. Developed by Microsoft. This means any valid JavaScript code is also valid TypeScript code.
Okay. Hmm. Any other reasons why TypeScript? Is it easy to learn?
Yes, I'll add some points here. The uh, key
Yeah, because
features.
these typical questions these guys will ask if whenever we're
So
suggesting or
right.
I'm
So
thinking like that.
yes, exactly.
Type.
Uh, okay, so key features of TypeScript. Static typing. It is the most significant addition in TypeScript. You can explicitly declare the data types like string, number, boolean, and custom types for variables, functions, parameters, and return values. This allows type checking during the compilation phase. I think this is something we do in JavaScript also. When we say superset of JavaScript, it means TypeScript builds on JavaScript, offering all its features and adding its own syntax extensions such as interfaces, generics, and enumerated types. Transpilation. Web browsers and Node.js environments can only execute standard JavaScripts. Therefore, TypeScript code must be transpiled into plain JavaScript before it can be executed. I would say TypeScript has more usability than JavaScript because this is being a superset of JavaScript. So we can use it with other, React.js, Node.js, etc.
Okay.
JP, but all these things will be asked to a delivery manager.
Yeah.
Will they grill down so much because whatever Mrinal Singh is saying, right? Mrinal
Mhm.
Singh, all this will be known by the architect, right?
Correct.
But
Yeah.
for the
So,
delivery manager may not be so much techie, right? So much
but
technical.
correct. But now the expectation has increased a lot because in the last couple of years, right, the expectation became like in case if a solution architect is not there, delivery manager should be able to have those conversations. Maybe completely not make those decisions, but he should be able to influence.
At least
And
at a high level, he should know, right? All
yeah,
this
he should know.
technological stuff.
I mean, see, because this is a simple question. So now we are proposing a front end with few technologies. If anyone asks why, we should be able to answer.
Yes,
We don't have to go to that level of coding of this, but at least why we should know.
So
I was
yeah,
surprised when Mrinal was saying so much about the.
no, I'm
Uh,
I'm reading.
Re-
I'm reading.
we are reading. Read now. You also open chat GPT or internet or anything.
I
Yes,
can
yes.
read, but I went into that manifestation. What? Why delivery
I'm
manager?
sorry. No, I should have mentioned it. No, there's
Uh,
something more added here. So I asked why TypeScript, not JavaScript. So it says For large, complex, or enterprise level applications, most developers in organization agree that TypeScript is generally better due to its enhanced features that improve code quality, maintainability, and developer experience. So for small
What
projects, we
all the
can still use
two,
JavaScript.
three, got two, three things you mentioned. For large applications, it is better because,
It is just a minute. Let me put my charger.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So it says for larger applications, okay. Mm, for large, complex, or enterprise level applications, most developers and organizations agree that TypeScript is generally better due to its enhanced features that improved code quality, maintainability, and developer experience. However, for small projects, simple scripts, or quick prototypes, plain JavaScript may be preferred
Got it.
because it has less setup overhead and slightly easier learning curve. Hmm. I think
Smaller,
what we have to answer is maintainability of code improves the moment we use TypeScript, on enterprise level
got it,
projects.
got it. This is a very good justification, right? If any question, if anyone asks you, I mean, exactly know why.
Right, right.
So HTML, CSS, TypeScript, and
Yes.
React also will be
React is
good,
from
right?
Meta, React.js, and
Okay,
AngularJS, Angular is from Google. So we can use anyone. TypeScript is extremely easy. Oh, sorry, React.js is extremely easy to utilize because of the syntax.
so
Remember, in our
TypeScript,
organization, majority of the products were using only React.js.
correct, correct.
There was only one exception, Fully Sure, which was using Angular because this is how it was built.
Hmm.
We had suffered a lot of issues there. Let me check why we should focus on
Which
React
company,
using
which company owns this
Meta.
TypeScript? Meta owns
TypeScript is
their.
Microsoft. Yes.
Okay. So let's put that also just for Meta. It is
For React.js,
okay, and Google.
Google is Angular. AngularJS.
Got it. I mean, this makes our decision. I mean, everything very easy, right? Because we're going with Microsoft Stack. This is the thing which we should go, and it is much better than JavaScript because it has a lot of additional enhanced availability, like kind of value addition it is giving.
Right, right.
Cool. TypeScript, okay, HTML, CSS, TypeScript plus Figma tool. Anything else to in front end to call out? One thing what I wanted to add is here, if you see, somewhere they mentioned better experience.
Hmm.
Personalized, intuitive, scalable
So
interface.
Figma will help us create designs considering the user pain points and their experience. So this is the visual part. And we are talking about the React.js. React is extremely mobile intuitive. So when we build our web application as well, it will allow users to not only access website from their desktops, but from their mobiles also.
Hmm. So here we are using TypeScript, right? This is the
TypeScript,
front end.
this one. So HTML, CSS, TypeScript, along with React.js.
React.js also.
Yes, front end. Yes, React.js. Yeah.
But those features are not available in TypeScript, is it? Which React.js has.
No, so React.js was specifically designed. Though it says React.js is simply JavaScript, but it's extremely. I would say it's vast. It is compared with AngularJS.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so TypeScript and React.js will work as complementary. Let me quickly check.
Yeah, because I'm just thinking when we have TypeScript, why we want
No, no, you
React?
are right. Yes, yes, yes.
Mohan, while we are on this, we need your help in this backend and cloud because that is your core, right? So you can just have some research done and you can share. We'll use your expertise here.
Yeah, sure. Backend and cloud, right? Yeah.
Mm.
Okay, see here it says TypeScript and React.js not only can work together but are highly recommended and widely adopted for building enterprise level applications. The combination provides strong foundation that addresses many of the challenges inherent in large, complex, and team-based software development. Key benefits: uh, type safety plus fewer bugs, improved maintainability, better team collaboration, enhanced tooling IDE support, and scalability. Many large companies and Fortune 500 enterprise use React with TypeScript for their major applications. For example, the open source community around React even provides a dedicated TypeScript templates when setting up a new project.
Hmm.
Uh, this is a big
But
article.
why?
Wait, huh?
But why? I mean, that I'm trying to get that.
So
Why?
why we should use TypeScript with React.js?
Yeah. Why? Yeah.
Okay, why we should use TypeScript with React React.js. The main reason you should use TypeScript with React.js stem from the benefit of adding static typing to dynamic component-based
Mm.
library.
Got it. Yeah. I think one is static, one is dynamic. Is it that way?
Adding static typing to a dynamic component-based library. This combination significantly improves code quality, scalability, and developer experience, especially in large applications.
Mm. Can you tell that line static and
Uh,
that thing?
yes, yes, I'm sharing. So I didn't understand it.
Hmm.
TypeScript with React.js STEM from the benefits of adding static
Benefits of adding
huh,
static
typing
typing
to a dynamic
to a
component. Yes,
dynamic component.
yes, component hyphen based library.
Okay.
Based library. This combination significantly improves code quality. Just add this improves code quality.
Hmm.
This combination improves code quality, scalability, and developer experience,
Hmm.
especially in large applications.
Yeah. So what I understood is the so the code of this Angular TypeScript is a particular code which is calling various kind of functions from React library, which is a
Okay,
huge vast of things,
that is
and I
dynamic in
think
nature.
it dynamically it will run. So
Uh,
maybe in the different phases of that code compilation, all that pipeline, right? At some phase, at runtime also it can call and it can get all those benefits of React. So
okay,
that is
okay.
why both the combination are working well.
Right, 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 right. Okay, okay. Got it, got it.
React and JS, right? Together.
React JS, yeah, yeah. React JS plus
It is a
TypeScript.
combination.
TypeScript.
This is the
Yeah.
combination.
Yes,
Cool,
yes.
I think. And just one last question on front end. Why Figma? Why not others? Any
We can use other tools also. Figma is latest in the market. It is so good that it has replaced what was this called name?
Lucid,
No, no, no. There was some X tool.
Miro or something.
No, no, no. Wait, wait. Let me check.
Adobe?
Yeah, Adobe. Adobe's tool was there.
Yeah, there is one tool, right? Adobe's everyone was using it.
Wait. Why use? And what are the other competitors?
Just say competitors to Figma.
Yes.
Yeah. Why Figma? Why only Figma?
Figma has become the leading tool for digital product design due to its unique combination of real-time collaboration and accessibility. That means other users can also collaborate at the same time. It has fundamentally changed how design team developers and product managers work together.
Hmm.
Um, wait, Adobe XD.
Adobe XD, right? Yeah.
Yes, yes. So the other tools I see here, Penpot, Framo, Sketch. Never heard of these three.
Never heard of these. XD, yes.
Yes. Fifth one is Miro and Mural. But
Yeah.
they are
Yeah, I
more
think
more
those
of
are for very basic designs, right? High
exactly,
level
exactly.
accessibility.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, then I think we are good
Figma
with.
is rocking now.
Sorry? Miro.
Figma is rocking.
Yeah, Figma is, yeah, everywhere. So we are good with front end, right?
I think we are more or less sorted here. Yes.
Anything else they have said about usability, user experience? That's smart.
Mobile application. Native app they were talking about, right?
Yeah, they have some cross platform thing. Now they want to move it to native.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah, they have Xamarin, and now they want to move to different ones. Okay, so we'll go to backend.
Yes, can go to
Yes,
backend.
yes, yes. I have given in the chat GPT some okay backend. Okay, I will try to just read it out. Okay.
I'll put it here. This is the backend what they are proposing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Using a C sharp like .NET on Azure with Azure
Hey,
DevOps.
we have a new member.
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say
Hello.
hi.
Yeah. Why C sharp? But before that, it is the high level we can identify, right? What all we need. Um,
Yeah, yeah, yes, yes. See, I'll copy paste it. Easily we can read. Okay.
okay.
.NET Core. So we use that .NET Core,
1 second.
and
I'm just copy pasting.
yes,
Mhm.
yes. Azure for cloud
We
services.
got new member. Who is that?
My son.
Okay, okay. 2250. Okay. I need to break it down.
C Sharp .NET Core ASP.NET Azure DevOps SSO SQL Server. So before getting into this, definitely I think we need to have microservices architecture, right? Because we are talking about large scale, globally distributed enterprise level solution with various features.
Yes. See, I have copy pasted.
Whoa. Okay, so you're saying we should use.
If not, I will ask the chat GPT to reduce the content and make
Oh,
it.
then this is okay. Yeah, this is fine. So from this chat, what you pasted here, I'll put the key points as what we discuss. So first thing I'll add is use C sharp. There are three. There is .NET Core, and ASP.NET. Mm,
Yeah. Resilient code and architecture. Okay. That is the reason we are using a C sharp .NET patterns.
But
Makes
here,
a
if you see, they have mentioned three. So what is the difference, and why do we need all or one of it?
Wait, let me check.
C sharp .NET and okay, patterns, right? We need three.
Okay, Azure DevOps is the uh,
It's a
deployment
product
CI/CD.
management
Yeah.
like Jira.
cloud we will use.
Uh,
But why there are these three, right? Why these
yeah,
all
yeah,
in
I'm
one?
checking. .NET Core, right?
Yeah, .NET Core, ASP.NET.
Yes. So,
ASP is for the building the web pages. I know.
okay,
Hmm.
Is for creating the web pages. ASP.NET. And .NET is for rapid application development.
okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
we can put it in the. I'm putting it in the chat GPT and okay.
It says the term C hash or C sharp, .NET, ASP.NET, and .NET Core represent different layers and components of a single unified technology ecosystem developed by Microsoft.
Oh,
The breakdown is C sharp is a programming language.
yes,
.NET,
I'll write it down. I'll write it
yes,
down.
yes, yes,
C sharp.
is a programming language.
Okay.
A modern object-oriented type safe programming language developed by Microsoft. Don't add anything. This is simple. .NET is platform or ecosystem.
Okay.
The unified modern open source and cross-platform framework created by Microsoft, starting with version 5.0.
Okay. Can you please come again? .NET, what key thing?
So
Platform.
.NET is a platform hyphen ecosystem.
Okay.
The unified modern open source and cross-platform framework created
Open
by
source.
Hmm.
Oh, it's open source, is it?
It is open source written. Yes,
Oh,
yes.
unified modern open source cross-platform. Is it
Cross-platform
cross-platform?
framework. Yes.
Oh, framework,
Okay.
is it?
It says what is its role? It says it is a base runtime and framework that executes C sharp code and provides the huge class library. So basically it is a platform that runs C sharp language
And produces,
and produces and provides the
provides.
huge class library APIs
Okay.
for everything from file operations to networking.
Wow.
GP, as I asked, okay, like the prompt, and it said you don't need all four separately. They are related parts of the same ecosystem. See,
Hmm. Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
C
C-sharp,
sharp,
we need to have that. We agree.
Yes, and yeah,
.NET.
Mohan was correct. ASP.NET framework, it's a framework which is mainly used for web. The original technology for building web applications that ran only on the older .NET framework. So that was ASP.NET
Okay, so ASP.NET is the older one.
for web applications.
వరుణ్ ఒక 5 నిమిషంలో కాల్ బ్యాక్ చేయను నేను
Oh,
But
this one,
now,
listen to this. The role obsolete for new work. It is
వరుణ్
limited to Windows and has been replaced by the modern version.
nice. Modern version is .NET Core.
Yes, yes.
Nice.
Modern web
So,
framework. Yeah.
yeah.
I
So
think we should go with .NET Core. Remember, I told you we
got
used to
it.
use .NET Core.
Hmm. So we
It
will
is a
use
technology used to build high-performance web APIs, websites, cloud-native applications that run on Windows, Linux, and Micro OS, Mac OS.
Okay. So then instead of .NET platform, we'll use .NET Core.
We'll use .NET Core. Yeah. If someone asks for ASP.NET, I will say it's obsolete. It's old. So we'll not use this. So okay, I'll shall I share some information on ASP.NET?
Obsolete, right? Yeah, yeah, sure.
So .NET Core is a framework modern web. Okay, about this, the modern cross-platform high-performance web development framework that runs on a unified .NET platform.
Hmm.
And it is a technology used to build high-performance web APIs, websites, and cross cloud native applications that run on Windows, Linux, or Mac OS.
Got it. So this is the ASP.NET, which is the obsolete one.
Yes, ASP.NET is obsolete. Yes.
Yes.
.NET is a platform where we run C Sharp language, and ASP.NET is a framework that is used to build high performance web APIs, websites, and cloud native applications.
Okay. So we have a C sharp, which is a programming language. Then we
Yes,
had .NET, and now the
yes.
latest version of .NET is .NET Core,
.NET Core.
which is the
Yes.
ecosystem on which we
Ye-
build everything. And then it has
Right.
also a framework which is called ASP.NET, which is now obsolete.
Correct. Correct.
Perfect.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
I think, yeah, this is now clear. So we will
This
have.
much you say, they already give you a job.
We will.
Even I didn't know all this.
Yeah, yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
me too. We will not get into this
We
much.
never put
Yeah,
a
yeah.
head into all this, right?
Correct, correct. So then C sharp, we will say C sharp, .NET Core, and definitely Azure. All this is the DevOps
Azure is a
pipeline.
cloud platform, right? And
Correct.
.NET Core will work on cloud-based applications. Azure DevOps for project management, SSO SQL Server, SSO for security, right? HTTPS,
Mm-hmm. SSO for, yeah, single sign-on for that security, that user access experience, those things.
right? Microservices. I don't know microservices. So microservices, like everything would be different. Uh,
Yes,
Each and every
correct. Yeah,
service would be separate,
yeah.
correct?
Can you check whether we can build microservices using .NET Core? I think we should be
Let
able
me check.
to.
Let me check. Yes, you absolutely can and should build microservices using the
Perfect,
modern
perfect.
.NET platform, specifically using .NET Core for
.NET Core,
the
perfect.
individual service APIs.
Correct. So backend also, I think, yeah, we are clear. So Azure, Azure DevOps,
If someone
correct.
says, right, why .NET Core? Say high performance, small footprint, built-in container support.
High performance.
Yes, and small footprint.
What is this small footprint?
I'll read. So this one,
Ah,
.NET Core, is one of
got
the
it.
fastest web frameworks available. The high performance is critical for microservices, which often handle high throughput and minimal resource consumptions. Its minimal footprint also makes it ideal for containerization. It didn't say about the footprint. Shall I check?
I think
What do you mean
when
by
we
small
say
footprint?
footprint is all these microservices, they use lot of energy and lot of transactions, everything.
Right.
And this footprint, if it is the less, the better it is.
Hmm. Right. That means it is optimized in nature.
Ah,
Hmm.
a lot
Okay.
of energy, a lot of unnecessary resources, cost, everything will get into these
True.
architectures. The
True.
lesser, the better. I think in that context, they're using that footprint, less footprint.
Right. What it says. Oh God. So Gemini also give a YouTube videos simultaneously that you can refer and read from.
Wow, very nice.
Shall I share those videos also in
Yeah,
the
yeah,
group? I'll provide
put.
in the WhatsApp group, है ना?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Here also we can put here, if anywhere, here we can add one
हाँ. Wait.
references, so that
I'll
every
do.
time when we go to this page, we'll have all those.
Yes. What was this? Why .NET Core is ideal for microservices? Uh, Wait. They have given me a picture. I'm sharing the link of the video. Huh?
Mhm.
Source. Okay. .NET.
Episode of the On.NET Show. We're here with Cesar. We're going to be talking about microservices architecture with ASP.NET Core. Okay, on today's episode of the On.NET Show, we're here with Cesar. We're going to be talking about microservices architecture with ASP.NET Core. You'll definitely want to check it out.
Copy link.
You put in the chat, is it?
Yes. I'm actually using Gemini on phone. I'm just wondering how do I use the chat? I shared in the WhatsApp group.
Yeah, in the WhatsApp, I'll pick it from there. WhatsApp, I think, is
So I've
open.
added it for .NET Core, why we must use it for microservices.
Yeah.
But that's good, yeah.
So here I'm putting in.
So this one was small footprint.
Why? Why use .NET Core?
When building enterprise applications and microservices, a small footprint is critical for cost efficiency, scalability, density, speed. But wide means application is very efficient and fast, requiring less CPU time to perform its task. This is crucial for microservices scalability and for extending battery life of mobile devices or laptops.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so backend also we got some clarity.
Yeah.
C# .NET Core, and then we use Azure DevOps because we are completely in the Microsoft stack. Plus single sign-on, we will put SQL Server. I think we need more here. This is just only basics what they provided. We need a SQL DB.
Yeah, SQL Server, when we install, right, automatically we will create the databases, right?
Okay.
Anything you recommend? Any type of SQL here?
No. It should be fine. SQL. Okay.
Well, I mean,
And
name. You don't want any Microsoft specific SQL is there in the market?
MySQL would be there, right? MySQL
no,
MySQL,
no.
yes.
database.
MySQL, it is a freeware here. It is, he has clearly said SQL Server.
Okay.
Microsoft SQL server.
Okay, is this the name of Microsoft server?
Yeah. See, we have we have a database product from the Microsoft. It is called as Microsoft SQL Server.
Oh, okay. Then we'll say directly the feature itself, fundamental what it's doing, only they put it as a name then. Microsoft.
Because if you have the Microsoft SQL Server, right, all the authentication will happen through the Active Directory single sign-on.
Yeah. Lot of things we can implement here. And for NoSQL, is there anything Microsoft which provides?
No. NoSQL is like MongoDB. That is completely different. Over here, we are developing a transactional application. It is not a OLAP. It is a OLTP. OLTP requires an RDBMS. If you
Correct.
want only read into example, I'll tell you. When you go into the Flipkart or Microsoft, right? When you say Samsung, example, Samsung phones, all your data will come from the NoSQL, because from the NoSQL, read operations would be fast, but NoSQL will not satisfy the ACID properties.
Correct. So here in
Okay.
our correct. So
Yeah,
here
yeah.
in our
It
problem
is clear.
statement.
Here, the scope and the requirements are very clear, saying that they need RDBMS, a SQL server. No SQL is not at all required.
So here, if for example, if you want to do a sentiment analysis on all these users, how would you do it with a
No,
SQL?
I believe honestly we'll be deviating the main
No,
scope.
here if you see, so that is where the interviewers will catch us. So this is the base what they gave. So they are
Correct.
not saying that this is our stack. As a delivery manager, we should be in a consulting mode where we have to tell that yes, you know this, but based on our experience on our implementations, it might be good. You may have some additional technology stack also. So
Yeah,
that is where I'm
and
coming from.
NoSQL for the read operations we can have in NoSQL. Example in the Flipkart or in the Amazon, if you give as a Samsung, right, it will get the data from the NoSQL because the read operations would be very much fast. After
Mm-hmm.
selecting example, you selected a S24 or S23 phone, add to cart.
Mm-hmm.
Then the connection again will go to the RDBMS because all the payment things will happen, right? All the transactional thing, everything will switch to Oracle or SQL again. Data reading happens from a different database when you go to the payment card and when you're trying to make the payment of this product, right? It will happen through a traditional RDBMS because in the in the NoSQL this primary key, foreign key, all these concepts will not come to maintain the transactional integrity.
Correct. So now we are about to start a project. So at this level, we might not know those specifics. So for our this solution, don't we need a NoSQL completely? Only with SQL database can we go ahead? Am I thinking right?
We can give a prompt in the chat GPT. It can it can help us.
Check once.
Let me check.
Okay, I'll check.
Because where I'm coming from is to implement this digital assistant, we might need to have some at least some 5 to 10 microservices, out of which there would be few where a NoSQL might fit.
I've
Because every
asked
time it is not
how
one to one.
NoSQL MongoDB can help us. NoSQL DB like MongoDB are optimized for high speed reads, which I told. When your data is in semi structured or frequently changing.
Hmm. So in my digital assistant, okay.
See, not good for complex transactional queries. Over here, we need to have a payment gateway. We need to capture all these things, right? It is for a food joint, right?
Payment gateway definitely will go with SQL. But I mean sentiment analysis or comments
It
or
says that NoSQL database are extremely helpful for your food-centric this application, particularly in areas requiring real-time visibility, high scalability, flexible data structure. For example, automatic automate inventory, order management, and product tracking to offer real-time visibility.
so the real-time analytics and all, NoSQL would be much better.
Huh. But I think we must have this MySQL along with no
Yeah, definitely.
uh,
Yeah, MySQL
SQL.
we should
It
have.
says high volume, low latency writes. No SQL databases. Okay, this is implement data tools for better forecasting and operational decision support. Build or maintain near real time monitoring capability.
Hmm.
Maintain an enterprise ordering platform to replace orders with one or more external suppliers. It's mainly for inventory management, tracking and monitoring, which is one of the asks in the above case,
Hmm.
right? Real
What do
time.
you suggest, Amon?
Let's add NoSQL also.
Yeah, so what I'm thinking is for now, let us put both as we
Ah,
need both, and as we go into details, right, we will check. and then we'll
You
get
can,
more.
I'll tell you something. So once this is over, right, you put it into ChatGPT, and what do you think? Will I be able to build my application,
Yeah,
and what all challenges I may experience, and how to
we,
resolve or mitigate challenges,
we'll do that. Yeah, yeah. So,
and
okay,
share your observations also.
yes. Okay. So now the question is for Microsoft, do they have any native NoSQL database?
No, 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 no,
But they should have, right?
no, no, no.
Because this is a
They
basic, no?
they don't have actually.
Check once. Because
No, no.
Azure,
I'm a SQL DB, right? I'm a Microsoft SQL
you're
DB.
SQL, you're not NoSQL.
Uh,
That's why you're inclined to SQL.
no, no, no. That's not the thing. I know Mongo also. Here because in the NoSQL we don't have all these things, stored procedures, primary
Correct, correct. Yeah, yeah.
keys,
NoSQL doesn't give these.
for the foreign keys. All these things we don't have at all. All these things, it is, see, we use MongoDB for the data lakes, for the data warehouse, where for the, we will say, right, OLAP applications, not for
Ah,
OLT.
so I just checked. So the name of that service is called Cosmos DB. So the Cosmos DB which Azure provides is a NoSQL database.
Oh, Cosmos DB.
Cosmos DB, yeah, yeah. Because
But
I remember in one of the
but it
projects,
is not a product of Microsoft. See whether it is a
it is a, yeah, yeah,
product of.
Azure Cosmos DB.
Hmm.
So it is
Okay,
Azure Cosmos DB.
But
but which?
but in the real time industry, MongoDB is the top
I think
in
yes.
the
Correct, yeah, yeah.
NoSQL. It's not the, because I never had, like, I never
Correct,
heard
correct.
companies using Cosmos.
I
Yeah, yeah.
never heard this, to be honest. Yeah,
So then here
MongoDB I heard a
we
lot.
will put. Uh,
MariaDB is also like Mongo only, I
so
believe.
now, good question to think is what is the difference between these two and why we should go with MongoDB?
Yes, yes,
Well, entire whole my full stack, everything is on Microsoft, where I would prefer to use this, but the market is using this.
yes, yes. Okay.
Okay, okay, I will try to justify in this. See, I'm copy pasting it.
Yeah, yeah.
How to justify in short? I have asked. Use equal structure for the transactional orders, as I
Correct,
said.
correct.
Okay, use MongoDB for real-time flexible data, inventory updates, delivery tracking, supplier catalogs. This is called polyglot, okay, persistent model, combining SQL plus NoSQL for best performance and scalability. Deploy MongoDB via Azure, as you said, Cosmos DB for high availability. Helps to achieve low latency, scalability, and real-time insights, aligning with the NFR in the case. It is in short.
Hmm. So the interesting thing is Cosmos DB is a service.
Can be utilized with MongoDB, seems.
Yeah,
Is a
which
feature of
can,
Cosmos DB.
yeah, which can,
Emulates the MongoDB via
which
protocol.
offers Postgres and also MongoDB.
It allows you to use your existing MongoDB drivers, SDKs, and tools to interact with the Cosmos DB database, make migration easier. Choose MongoDB if you need true multi-cloud flexibility, want to use the absolute latest MongoDB features, or prefer an instance-based
See,
pricing model.
see, example in Zomato or in Swiggy, when you say biryani, example, it will get all the list of biryanis. It might be from any restaurant, or it might be from the from the nearest restaurants. It might be veg biryani or a chicken biryani. Everything, all these things are. It will fetch the data from the NoSQL only. When you click on one particular biryani example, paradise biryani, then when you go for the payment, right, then it will go with the traditional RDBMS.
Hmm.
Got it?
Yeah. So then for now we will keep these C Sharp, .NET Core, Azure DevOps for the pipeline, and then we'll have an SSO plus SQL Server plus NoSQL also.
You can say this particular thing. Use the second point and the third point you can add. Use Mongo for real-time flexible data. Use polyglot persistence model combining SQL plus NoSQL for best performance
Yeah.
and scalability.
You'll put it in the assumptions part. Cool. I think we got some clarity, right? Anything else we need to add in backend and cloud? There would be a lot of nuances, but at a high level, I think we are good.
Cloud again. There is one more thing in cloud. We have two options in clouds, two or three options. That is IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. SaaS means
Correct.
completely okay. It is out of our scope. PaaS means platform as a service. Okay, he will give the platform as a service means we don't have. He will not give the remote desktop access, but he will give us
Mhm.
this. Okay, that's sorry. IaaS means it is like our virtual service where
Yeah.
we only need to deploy, we need to do the patching, we need to take the backups and all.
Yeah.
Because the costing will be less. If you go on platform as a service, right? The costing would be more because
So here we will take
Microsoft will only
middle
take
one.
care of the backups and also vulnerability, like all the patching kind of thing. He will only take care. So it
Yeah.
all depends on the budget whether we need to go with IaaS or PaaS.
Yeah.
Okay.
I hope this particular information is
No, this was
Yeah.
really helpful here.
So we should go with IaaS, right? For our
IaaS,
specific,
information
yeah, information.
platform as a service, infrastructure as a service.
Yeah.
Infrastructure as a service means it is as good as our on-prem only.
Mm-hmm.
Cosmos DB is a pass platform as a service, right?
It's a service only. It's a IaaS.
Right.
It
Where is
is
it?
infrastructure.
Okay.
So all these are infrastructures like database or, or all these like computer machines,
No.
storage.
In the database also two options are there: infrastructure as a service and platform as service. Infrastructure as a service means he will give the VM,
Mm-hmm.
okay,
Virtual
and I
machine.
need yeah, and SQL Server will be there over there, where I need to take care of the backups. I need to take care of the patching. It might be Windows patching or the SQL Server patching. Okay, but in the platform as a service, right? I will not get the RDP. It is a serverless. Only Microsoft will give me the instance. I can directly log into the instance from the
Correct.
cloud.
So for our use case, which one we should go with, IaaS or PaaS?
It all depends on the budget, project budget. We can
Apart
go
from budget,
anyone.
anything else? Unlimited budget.
Unlimited budget means we can go on the PaaS platform as a service.
Only budget or anything else we have as trade-offs?
See, budget is the main thing.
Hmm, there should be few more things, right?
Okay. In the same prompt, we can ask for the above cloud backend. It is good to
Yeah.
go with IaaS
Can you
or
check?
PaaS.
Can you check?
I will.
Yeah.
Uh,
So I'm thinking yes, because all these are the kind of services. Because we don't want to get into managing all these infra. Our core thing is provide a digital assistant and enterprise experience to the users. I don't want to maintain a
PaaS.
huge
It is
operation.
saying it is saying excellent question. And for a delivery manager level thought for the specific agile delivery supply chain platform as a service is the preferred approach with selective use of IaaS uh, uh, only absolutely necessary.
Platform as a service plus selective
IaaS.
use of
Ah,
IaaS. So here I have one thought. Why would I need um, a platform as a service? Because it will come with some operational overhead also. That is not my core business. My core business is a supply. I'm running a supply chain company
Right,
with a
right.
digital experience. So I want to offset all the operational that kind of infra work and just consume the services. I can pay more. So
okay. If you're
why?
ready to pay more, platform as a service, it is a very good choice. Infrastructure
Platform
as a service
he-
means, yeah,
here
infrastructure
my
as a
work.
service means everything as a on-prem only.
So here my work is increasing in platform as a service. Why I have to pay more
No,
rent,
no, no, no.
do more work also?
Platform as a service, you will pay more, but the work will be less because all the vulnerabilities, patching, everything is taken care by the Microsoft only, right? Over here, and also you will pay as per the use in the platform as a service.
No, that is infrastructure as service.
No, no,
I'm
no,
getting
no, no,
confused.
no, no. You can see the difference. You can see the difference.
Let me
If you
just
can
check.
share your screen, I will explain you.
Like, can you share your screen? Like difference between IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS?
I?
I mean, Mohan.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, sure, sure. I'm sharing my screen. Okay. Share. Okay. You can't share when other people are
Okay,
sharing
let
document.
me stop because I'm thinking it otherwise. First
Okay.
platform, then IaaS, then SaaS.
No, no.
We have 5 more minutes.
It's okay. Yeah. Are you able to see? Hmm.
Yeah,
Why pass is
but not
better for this?
ChatGPT. Let us go to Google because uh, in Google we can search any authentic source, direct source. IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS differences.
What happened? Costing difference between, okay,
No, not
example.
costing difference. What is the
Uh,
primary difference between IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS?
SaaS is
Yeah,
like our
yeah,
Gmail, Office
correct, correct.
365.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay,
Let's see that
SaaS.
in a picture.
Yes.
Can you go to images? Yeah, that is the image. Yeah, that image. The second one. Second one.
This one?
Yeah. Can you make it? Okay. Okay, so infrastructure as service, platform as service, software
See,
as
all these things which are there in green, right? It is all
got it.
given by Microsoft.
Got it. Yeah. This is I think very clear. I'm taking a screenshot. I'll put this in the our reference. Very handy.
Only you need to take care of which are marked in black color.
Got it. So my work is
So,
very less in platform as service.
Yes, if you see in IS, I told you right. OS also you need to
Got it.
take care. All the things you need to take care.
Yeah,
yeah.
I'm clear. Mridal, any question?
No, no, no. This is clear.
This is
So
very
what
clear.
I understand is we just need our application and a database to take care. Rest everything will be taken care here. Platform,
Yeah.
correct? Hmm. What is runtime and runtime? runtime of the application, like how long it will be used, will be an
I believe on the go, right? All.
okay.
Yeah,
We
during
can
execution.
yes.
Okay, so here I'll put that picture also in our assumptions. Perfect.
See, and one more thing I'll tell you. In the prompt, it has clearly said me why pass is it is better for this project. Speed of delivery.
Completely
No
agree.
need to
Yeah,
manage OS patches or servers. Faster
correct.
provisioning. And also scalability. Pay as per the usage, as I told, right?
Mm.
DevOps integration.
Yeah, a lot of advantages. So I was actually thinking this platform is the first one. The name, I got confused with the name. When I say platform, I thought
If
all
a
the hardware platform
simple thing, JP, if you say infrastructure as a service means it is as good as on-prem. We need to
on-prem.
maintain everything. Just the thing is, it will be on cloud. Bus,
Mm.
उतना ही. Hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Yep. I think, yeah, we have a very good justification and rationale, right, for why we are choosing these.
Hmm.
And here I'll also put what we have discussed now: platform as a service plus selective use of yes,
Hmm.
lit cloud. Okay, so front end done, back end done. Mm,
Here, I have a doubt over here.
deployment model. Mm-hmm.
In the architecture, right? In the ask, in the front end,
Mm-hmm.
everything, he was saying about the Postgres actually. One second, just can you go down? Front end, back end, everything was there, right? Down. Just a minute. Data integration. Up.
Data
Ah,
integration.
Node, JS, and also PostgreSQL. Actually, PostgreSQL, it is another product like our Microsoft SQL Server, but it is a freeware.
Okay.
So I think it is an by mistake, a typo mistake or anything. We can ignore that PostgreSQL
Mm-hmm.
because SQL servers it is a product from the Microsoft. It is a licensed one which is bit expensive. PostgreSQL is same as SQL Server, but it is free. Community editions will come for you.
Okay.
Companies will save the cost.
Okay.
It is like our open office or something like that. Right?
Okay. Freeware.
Freeware, yes.
Okay. So we can choose whether we want this or a Microsoft service.
Yes.
Okay.
And the
Good
application
discussion.
should be able to support Postgres.
Hmm. Correct. So now all of these are compatible to each other because everything is the same ecosystem.
Mhm.
With Postgres, we have to do that analysis
Now,
also.
in this also 99% it would be compatible only.
Okay.
We call it as the due
Check.
diligence, right?
Check. Yeah. Check compatibility
With the application.
with other services.
Mhm.
Good discussion.
Yeah.
We are at the end of time, but lot of learning, right? For me,
Yeah,
at
yeah,
least I
seriously.
learned a lot. I learned a lot.
No, I genuinely learned a lot. See, I wanted to know, understand these microservices because I'm seeing a lot of discussion here and there, GP.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
See, apart from Microsoft, this microservices, right? If we are able to answer 2 to 3 questions on API, means we are almost in. API, it is the
Yeah.
main thing. API. nowadays.
also we should have, right? API, there is no mention of API here.
No, it is taken care by our .NET, right? That's the reason it is
Okay.
not emphasized,
.NET
I
Core
believe.
takes care. Yes, yes,
Oh,
yes.
Ah.
okay. I'll put in the assumptions. API management taken care by
I will ask prompt also
.NET
API.
Core.
Uh,
No, because nowhere APIs are mentioned.
I have asked how about APIs in this?
Hmm.
Thinking it is saying.
And so we will take a pause right here. What do you say?
1 minute. 1 minute.
Uh-huh.
We'll just complete about this
Yeah.
API.
API thing will conclude and then. So what I'll do, I'll just put all these things which we discussed into a slide, and then I'll continue the remaining part also, and then we'll have one more call. I'll walk you through what all I presented. But very good discussion.
Yeah, I enjoyed it thoroughly. Honestly.
Because over here, as someone emphasized or I only said, APIs will play a major role in this.
Mm.
It
Yeah,
might
yeah.
be in it might be any application.
Any variable using this.
Azure APIM. RESTful APIs, OAuth 2, API versioning, API insights. Yeah. So Azure APIM is the service which we will need to invoke. I'll add that also somewhere.
Because API management, API security, all these things are on a highly asked
Yeah,
nowadays.
yeah, yeah.
API management.
So I will put it in backend.
Anywhere he has mentioned, he has nowhere mentioned APIs, right? In the
Yeah, nowhere
requirement.
mentioned. Uh-huh.
But I believe,
Yeah, he'll catch us there.
oh, yeah, it should go
Where
hand
is
in hand.
API? Correct, correct.
It should be built in.
He might have saved it to ask a question in the interview,
How
like
do you
how is
ensure how
yeah,
how APIs are handled? How do
yeah.
you manage APIs?
Here you mentioned certain characteristics or what to do, right? RESTful APIs, and then API versioning need to be taken care, and then secure APIs, how they are secure with
Because all the communication happens right
correct,
between our application or if our application interacts with other external applications or internal applications or between the application only, right? It will happen through APIs only.
correct, yeah, yeah. So all of
I don't
these
know if I'm
also.
going too much technical.
No. This is, I mean, basics. Yeah, yeah.
Because actually, I'll be very honest with you guys. I thought of switching my career to the Scrum Master role. But from past 1 month, I was unable to switch because if I switch into a Scrum Master role, right, again it will become completely a non-technical role, and whatever the technical knowledge I have apart from database administrator, I have a very good knowledge on information security also,
No,
because
no,
I have
no.
upgraded my skills on
Okay.
Okay, then
information security.
I'll do one thing. We'll pause this here. I'll stop the recording,
Oh,
and
Yeah.
okay,
then
okay, you can
we can
stop.
check. Yeah, yeah. Mm.
So, so now I started applying for database manager role,
It's still
information
happening.
It
security risk
didn't stop
roles.
yet. Wait.
Oh, sorry.
Uh,